Just got, it's been about 13 minutes. Just got off the phone with Snappy Keys, so I hope they are able to be here in a timely manner. So they're on the clock. Sure hope they get here in time. Huh. Well, there we go. Exactly 30 seconds before 15 minutes.
How you doing?
I am doing good. How about yourself?
Good, good. This one right here?
It is this one right here. I locked my keys in there by accident.
In a hurry trying to get home?
Yeah, just wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, it happens. You ever done this before?
I have not. This is a first time.
First time? Well,
yeah.
That's not so bad.
Yeah, I'm a virgin with this.
Yeah. Well, we'll get you back on the road here.
Okay. Thank you so much. You guys are very quick.
Oh, well, thank you. Are the keys inside somewhere? I hope?
Yeah, they're in the ignition.
All right. Oh, yeah, there they are. Just gain a little bit of room here, and I'll just go down there and see if I can't hit the unlock button.
Awesome. Wow, that was snappy.
Okay.
All right.
I'll leave that open just a little bit.
Okay.
You never know.
That way I can grab the keys out of there
All
and
right.
everything. All right. Well, let me get this out of here for you. And there we go.
All right, perfect. I'll be
All
right
right.
back.
Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome.